Hello, and welcome to Samuels Public Library's Brainfuse JobNow tutorial. Brainfuse JobNow is an online career assistance resource available for free with your Samuels Library card. To reach Brainfuse JobNow, visit our Samuels Library homepage at www.samuelslibrary.net. Then go to Services, select Databases, go to Research and More, and select Brainfuse JobNow. To fully utilize the features of Brainfuse's JobNow database, you'll want to make an account. Making an account is free and easy. Just click Login, Sign Up, and create a username and password. Brainfuse will also ask you to choose a password hint and to type in an answer. Brainfuse JobNow has a lot of career resources organized into 3 categories: resume, job interviews, and career. The resume category offers assistance for putting together a clear and strong resume, from resume templates, instructional sites, submitting your resume for expert feedback, to live resume assistance from JobNow coaches. JobNow coaches are available daily from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. JobNow also has interview resources. Study up on interview practices using the online resources, browse interview tips, or practice with a live interview coach. Under the Careers tab, you can discover what careers and majors match your skills and interests, search for jobs, find unemployment assistance, or connect with a live job coach for personalized assistance with searching, applying, and preparing for jobs. And that's Brainfuse's JobNow database. Thank you for listening, and be sure to check out our other helpful databases at www.samuelslibrary.net.